Look at this, look at this. Yo, what's up YouTube? My name's Addison and today we're going treasure hunting through junk. So we're gonna go to a thrift store today that lets you pay per pound. Watch this video to the end to see how much I made. Hopefully we'll find some valuable items and maybe even some treasure. Let's go. All right, so here's some of the things I got today. I got this GoPro Hero. It's one of the first ones, but it's in the case. The battery's in there. There's no SD card. This is going to be about $30 on eBay. I got a Kate Spade. This is a brand new clutch purse. This will go for about anywhere from $65 to $100. I got this bag right here. This bag is very expensive. It's a TUMI, and I know it's designer. I don't know how to say it. Tumi bag, but these can go anywhere from $500 to $600. I got this Polaroid camera right here. This is vintage. This will go for 20 bucks. I got this Sprint AirRave router. It actually helps like enhance your cell phone signals. That's a $60 bill. This right here is Rigby from Regular Show, and he's actually pretty rare. You'll actually be surprised. I'll get $50 on eBay for him. Believe it or not. I saw this selling on eBay. These two pieces right here be $100. They're bar lights for restroom. I got this Dyson vacuum charger, and funny enough, because it's an original Dyson charger, I'll get $20 for that charger just alone. I didn't find this online. It's super rare, but it even has a tag. It's Tasmanian Devil. I got that one and this Beanie Baby. I'm pretty sure I can do this one for 20, and I'm hoping I can get this one for 50 because it's so rare. I got some brand new socks. I don't know how much these are going to go for, but worst case scenario, I'll wear them. 20 bucks. Then the best of it all, I got a Tory Burch coin purse and wallet ID. This will go for $300. Today my total spent, so you guys can see the receipt, see the purchase, $222, $9.38. Get your money up, dude.